All right, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Chamber Chat. I'm your host, Chamber President Jeff Griffin. Guest today, Marva Grant, Branch Manager, Central Illinois Bank. Now, Marva and I were just talking off air. She knew she was going to be a guest on our program about a half hour ago. And this is what happens when you go to business before hours, people. You come out, you socialize, you network, and Marva landed a spot on the exclusive Chamber Chat show here at PeoriaLife.com. Marva, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
So Central Illinois Bank. Marva, as I said, Marva is the branch manager, and I was just learning some things about Central Illinois Bank because it's a smaller bank, but I'm going to let Marva tell you about how long she's been there and what's going on at Central Illinois Bank.
Okay. I've been with Central Illinois Bank. It was 15 years in December. A great bank to work for. We're just a small little bank. We pride ourselves in our customer service, and we offer products that the larger banks offer. We just do it in a more personal way.
There you go.
We're not a number. We know you as you come in the door. We call you by name, and we make you our friend, not just hi.
Right. So you've been there 15 years, and you've been in banking. You said 26 years. So you started right out of grade school.
Definitely.
See what happened there.
I love it.
So 15 years at the same bank. That's something to be. That really is for the banker friends I have. I don't know many that have been in the same place for 15 years. So what's your secret, or what's Central Illinois Bank's secret?
I think the reason I've stayed at Central Illinois Bank is because they take care of their employees. They make family first, and if you've got any kind of family emergency, they support that. For example, my dad got terminally ill. I took 3 months off. They guaranteed me my job when I came back. You don't hear of that.
Yeah.
Most companies don't do that. And they were always supportive, calling, how's things going, wanting to know. And as when my dad did pass, they were right there with the support and things that you needed. And I don't know that a lot of companies do that.
Yeah.
This is that makes me want to work for a company.
No, see, those are stories. The small businesses that can still offer things like that. It really is a challenge for businesses to be able to have that level of flexibility.
Right.
So if they think that highly, Central Illinois Bank obviously thinks that highly of their employees. That's passed down to the customers. Yes. So tell me you mentioned you have all the programs available at larger banks. What are some of the items? I see you have some pamphlets here.
I do. Right now,
talking?
We have an acceleration checking account, a personal checking account. We're running a special right now, and it is running through March 30th. So if you open a personal checking account between now and March 30th, we have the opportunity to offer you up to 2% APY if you open it with $100, do a direct deposit, do online banking, e-statements, and use your debit card at least 12 times or more a month. If you do that the first 2 months, full 2 months after opening the account, we're going to give you $300.
There you go.
Who gives you $300?
I don't know. Can I have that cash?
Yes, you can. We'll give it to you. We'll put it right in your account.
All right. So people want to sign up for that. It's on your website, I'm assuming,
It is.
right?
It is. And they can stop in any of our branches. We have 11 branches within Illinois, Wisconsin, and Indiana. And it's offering in all of them through the end of March.
Okay. So what branch? CentralIllinoisBank.com, CentralIllinoisBank.com. Through the end of March, personal checking special going on. You're going to get interest. I haven't heard of that.
Up to 2%.
Happening. Up to 2%, and $300 cash, $300 bonus at the end of 2 months. What branch are you at?
I am at the Sheridan Village branch. It's our only branch here in Peoria, and we're just on the opposite side of Hy-Vee. So.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Hy-Vee's a good partner. Now you mentioned Hy-Vee, so everybody knows where that's at. Everybody knows Hy-Vee on Sheridan, right there. You can stop in,
Yeah.
open your checking account, then shoot over to Hy-Vee for a little lunch.
There you go.
You know, I don't get off on a tangent here, but we love our friends at Hy-Vee.
We do.
They are a huge supporter of the community and the Chamber of Commerce, and people don't think of going there for lunch or even happy
They have a
hour and
great
so
lunch.
forth. They have a nice little bar and restaurant.
They do.
So anyway, we're here to talk
Yeah.
about Central Illinois Bank. What trends, what has been a 26-year career in banking, what trends have you seen in the recent past that you think are going to influence the way banking into the future?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know, it's a lot going on. I don't get all
There
philosophical here, but
is.
banking has changed.
It has
right?
totally
With
changed.
the
You know-
regulatory environment, for example.
Right, and we didn't have online banking. We didn't have mobile banking. We didn't have all the electronic things that, I mean, you used to come in, you opened your account, you did everything in the bank.
Right.
You didn't have the extra. Now you don't even have to use come into a brick and mortar if you don't want to.
Right, but
which
don't
is
you
great.
see, this is where there's similarity between banking and Chamber of Commerce work, for example. Sometimes people feel, isn't that an antiquated notion a little bit? But this morning, there were a couple hundred people at a business after hours, right?
Before hours.
Before hours. Yes, it'd be a little early to start the after hours. But you can't do that on the internet, right? You
No,
can't have the
you
personal
have to have that
contact.
personal.
So in banking, because I know there are banks that don't even have real estate, right? Completely online. But you're still seeing customers who want to know their lender.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And we get to know them personally. We know them, their families, their kids. They tell you everything.
Yep.
And that's what we want. We want to take the time to get to know our customer so that we can give them the personalized information to better their lives as far as whether it's a checking account, a mortgage, building a business, maybe they want to start a business. We can help them with all that you can't do online.
Right.
And get to know, you can ask those questions that, when you're talking to somebody on the phone, you just don't get that passion. And that's what I enjoy. I like helping people meet their dreams and their goals.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is. It's fulfilling.
I know, right? I love people don't get that they're really there. Central Illinois Bank thrives if your business thrives, and if you thrive personally, and vice versa, and you're going to have that reciprocal relationship.
That's exactly.
You got it.
Exactly.
So, are there plans? Is the one branch what we're going to remain in Peoria? Any plans to do other branches, or that fits the market?
Right now,
the
I think it
goals.
fits the market. I don't see them increasing any right at the moment. As we grow, we always want to grow along with that. So, but as far as I know, there's no plans to adding another branch at any time.
So, how many employees do you have?
At my branch,
Yeah.
or I have, my branch has 10 employees right at the moment. CIB has about 200 and all of our 11 branches.
Across the 3 states. So, see, this is fascinating. I didn't realize this. You guys are a Central Illinois Bank in Wisconsin?
It's called Marine Bank in Wisconsin,
Gotcha.
and also in our Indy group. And then on the suburbs of Chicago, we're known as the Avenue Bank, and the Avenue Mortgage, our mortgage company is in.
Who knew?
So we're all under one umbrella, but we have different names. If you're in Wisconsin, you said Central Illinois Bank, that just doesn't.
Well, that's what I was
Jive.
wondering about.
So it's called Marine Bank.
That's what I was wondering
Yeah,
about.
so.
So what sort of things are your employees involved with? 'Cause I know you guys support the community. So what
We
sort of
do.
outreach you guys doing?
Our outreach right now, we're working on our Community Reinvestment Act, which is helping low to moderate income families, and we do a lot with the neighborhood house. We help them, actually yesterday, I just printed 800 calendars for Meals on Wheels.
Okay.
And on the back, they give us the calendar, and on the back, we put some kind of informational. We've done when there's a breach for security. We
Okay.
try to teach them some kind of banking or security type
Gotcha.
thing, and we put that on the back, and it goes to all the people on Meals on Wheels.
Right. So the neighborhood house piece, Meals on Wheels, is a fantastic program.
Right.
The neighborhood house, what are you guys doing with?
We help them with it.
Quickly,
Okay,
what's the neighborhood
we
house?
help them with their literacy.
But what do they do?
Oh, what does the neighborhood house do?
Just so people know.
They help, oh gosh, all kinds of, mainly low-to-income families to, they do a daycare. They have a financial, which is something that we help them with, their financial
literacies.
literacies, and helping those people that maybe don't have a job, get a job,
Right.
get them prepared for the world outside.
See, this is the stuff I see.
I mean, we try to help them with that.
Right. And this is the stuff I see every day because I'm very fortunate in the job I do. I get to see it. And I don't know if we always say it enough out loud. You know, your employees in Central Illinois Bank, they don't have to do that or commit the time and resources. And it's not just a matter of, you're not going to sign up whole new personal checking accounts by going to pass out meals or.
That's exactly.
But you're giving to the community, and that is the
It's
core.
rewarding.
It's rewarding, but it's what we are, right? And I think whenever we're talking about shop local or bank local, whatever the case, it's what we are as people.
That's
and
true.
I believe people don't want to go in and just clock in and sit at a desk all day and not have meaning behind their life.
Right.
So it's good to see Central Illinois Bank setting that example for our community.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Marva, we're running out of time, but in addition to the personal checking account special, anything else you want the viewers to know about?
Well, we have CDs. We have a CD special.
There you go.
1 year, 1.5% APY. I have a money market paying 1.34
Good rates.
dash 1.35 APY, 10,000 or more.
So what
Both of
people need
those
to
right
do,
now.
if you have money coming due,
That's
you
right.
go ahead and you
Yeah,
roll that
bring it on over to Marva.
Bring it on over to Marva at Central Illinois Bank, and you're going to know you're dealing with local people with a commitment
Take
to their
good care of you.
employees and the community, and grab some lunch at Hy-Vee while you're at it. Marva, thanks for all you do for the
welcome.
Chamber of Commerce and
Thank
for
you.
the community.
Thank you.
Folks, thanks for joining me on chamberchat.com, PeoriaLife.com, Chamber Chat, CentralIllinoisBank.com, CentralIllinoisBank.com to check out that personal checking account special running through the end of March. Have a good one. Be kind to one another.
Thank you.
PeoriaLife.com.